In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the built-in customer management system to see the results of your lead forms. As soon as your lead form has been completed, you will see the number of leads generated right next to the lead form name. Click the number of leads to show them. Here you will see a list of leads that have been collected from your form. Click the reference ID number to see the details of each lead. Here you will see the answers this customer gave to the questions. So Charlie wants to buy a home. He has a budget of $500,000 to $1 million. And here is the contact details they gave so you can contact them and follow up on the lead. You can enter notes about this lead to help you track your progress as you try to close the sale. You can also set a reminder that will alert you to take action on this lead if needed. Click Save to save your changes. Go ahead and check out all the responses to your lead generation form. Start contacting customers and closing sales. When you're done looking at the leads, go back to your dashboard where you can manage your projects and lead generation forms. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.